Hey, Laurie, which one you want? Choose one. Oh! 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 What about the red? You want the red? What about the green? You want the green? I guess she doesn't want any. What about you, love? Would you like some? So we have green, blue, and red. Laurie, let's try another time. Which one you want? Which one? Want the red, the blue, the green? You have a choice. Pick a choice. I don't think she wants any. I'll give her the blue. Take the blue. Take the blue. You guys are blue. So, no green and no red. Okay. She decided for the blue. Yeah.